Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another ride at Wheaton Honda.
A rear-wheel drive sports car with plenty of power. This 2014 Dodge Charger SRT is packing a 6.4-liter HEMI V8 engine, good for 470 horsepower and a matching 470 pound-feet of torque. That HEMI's paired to a 5-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift override. It's equipped with Brembo brakes, an adaptive damping suspension, and has Sport Track mode, as well as SRT performance pages. It also has the looks to match its sporty performance with an aggressive front end, 20-inch wheels, a rear spoiler, and dual exhaust. You get a leather interior with heated and cooled front seats, a heated steering wheel, heated and cooled cup holders, heated rear seats, a sunroof, dual-zone climate control, and a backup camera with sensors. That's not all. There's also keyless entry, a remote starter, push-button start, and heated side mirrors. The infotainment center has a large 8.4-inch screen with navigation, Bluetooth, and satellite radio. Plus, there's advanced safety and driver assist systems like adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning.
Now, if you have any questions, just send them my way. You can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.